Let's try it again. Okay. This is a code enforcement hearing for the City of North Miami. Today is August 1st, 2018, and I am Beatrice Cazot, Special Magistrate for the City of North Miami. The purpose of this hearing is to determine if a code violation exists at your property, as observed and cited by a code enforcement officer of the city. If the city is not able to prove its case, then I will dismiss your case and you may leave. These proceedings are being recorded, therefore all persons who are speaking should do so one at a time to ensure that all testimony is clearly audible on the recording device. If English is not your primary language, then please inform me when I call your case. We have a translator who will assist you during the proceedings. When your case is called, the property owner, agent for the property owner, and any witness that you may have should come forward to the podium on the left side of the room. When asked, please speak directly into the microphone and say aloud your name, your business or mailing address, and your relationship to the property. If you are not the property owner or an attorney representing the property owner, then you must present a notarized power of attorney affidavit in order for your testimony to be taken on behalf of the property owner. For new cases, you will be asked for the record if you are aware of and understand the violation that is being heard today. And do you understand what is required to resolve it? Please answer accordingly. The city will present its case first, and then the property owner and or violator will be given an opportunity to testify on their own behalf, to bring forward witnesses to testify, to present evidence and photographs, and to cross-examine the city's witnesses. Following the case presentation, I will issue a finding of fact on the case. If I find that a violation of city codes exists or existed at your property, then depending on the case type, I will set an abatement date for the violation to be resolved. Or, for repeat violations, I will impose a daily fine amount. For new, non-repeat cases, my order will include an abatement date by which you must resolve the violation and a daily fine amount that I may impose at a future hearing date should the violation not be resolved by the abatement date. If I find sufficient cause to postpone enforcement action at this time, I will table this case proceeding to another hearing date in the future. If you do not agree with my finding of fact and or ruling, then the property owner may appeal the administrative order on the case to the circuit court. An appeal must be filed within 30 days of the date of the execution of the administrative order to be appealed. In accordance with Florida statutes, if a person decides to appeal any decision made by the special magistrate with respect to any matter considered at these proceedings, then the person will need a verbatim record of the proceeding. If this record includes the testimony and evidence upon which the appeal is to be based, the cost of obtaining a verbatim record shall be the sole responsibility of the appellant, and it is recommended that persons who plan to appeal their case should provide their own court reporter at this proceedings. Pursuant to city codes, if a city of North Miami prevails in prosecuting a case before the special magistrate, the city shall be entitled to recover all costs incurred in prosecuting the case. The current cost assessment amount is $100 per case. Once the city records an order that imposes a fine and authorizes a lien against the property, then the city will charge additional administrative fees to record and release the lien. If you are present and will be given testimony on a case, please rise and raise your right hand so the officer can administer the oath.
Sir, need to be sworn in. Thank you. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in these proceedings will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Just say, I do.
I do.
Please, everyone stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge
Thank you. Please announce for the record if there are any additions, deletions, and/or corrections to the hearing agenda.
Item number 2, CEFAW 2018-00085 is complied. Item number 4, CEBPR 2017-00130 is complied. Item number 7, CEEXP 2018-00031 is complied. Item number 8, CERCV 2018-00046 is complied. Item 12, CEFAW 2018-00046 is complied. Item 13, CEIVY 2018-00085 is complied. Item 16, MHBIO 2018-00833 is complied. Item 17, CEEXP 2018-00041 is complied. Item 20, CELDR 2018-00014 is complied. Item 21, CEFAW 2018-00050 is postponed to October. Item 22, CENUS 2018-00017 is postponed to October. Item 23, CEPAC 2018-00003 is postponed to October. Item 24, CEMIS 2017-00050 is complied. Item 30, CEFAW 2018-00023 is complied. Item 32, CEFAW 2018-00015 is complied. Item 33, CEFAW 2018-00047 is complied. Item 34, CEJNK 2018-00037 is complied. Item 35, CEOSV 2018-00040 is complied. Item 39, CEBPR 2017-00115 is complied. Item 40, CENUS 2018-00043 is complied. Item 41, CEPFY 2018-00096 is complied. Item 42, CEPAR 2018-00006 is postponed. Item 43, CENBR 2018-00005 is complied. Item 48, CEGMP 2018-00072 is postponed 1 month. Item 49, CERCV 2018-00117 is complied. Item 55, MHVIO 2018-00700 is complied. Item 56, MHVIO 2018-00701 is complied. Item 57, MHVIO 2018-00702 is complied. Item 59, CEODS 2018-00037 is complied. Item 60, CEPAR 2018-00016 is complied. Item 61, CEODS 2018-00029 is complied. Item 62, CEJNK 2018-00080 is off calendar. Item 65, CERCV 2018-00011 is postponed 1 month. Item 70, CEPFY 2018-00189 is complied. Item 73, CEPFY 2018-00165 is complied. Item 74, CEJNK 2018-00069 is complied. Item 76, CEPFY 2018-00220 is complied. Item 80, CEODS 2018-00036 is complied. Item 81, CEPFY 2018-00191 is complied. Item 82, CEFAW 2018-00049 is complied. Item 83, CENUS 2018-00048 is complied. Item 84, CEFAW 2018-00036 is complied. Item 91, CEGMP 2017-00086 is complied. Item 93, CEPFY 2018-00201 is complied. Item 94, CEBPR 2018-00013 is complied. Item 95, CEFAW 2018-00063 is complied. Item 101, CEJNK 2018-00041 is complied. Item 102, CEFAW 2018-00076 is complied. And item 104, CEBLR 2018-00022 is complied. And those are the amendments and deletions to the agenda.
If we're ready, we can call our first case.
The first item is gonna be item 103, Willie J. Knight. The officer is Sophia Desalin. The case number CEEXP 2018-00025.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Please state
afternoon.
your full name,
Yes, my name is Adeline Elizabeth Knight.
okay, and your address.
It's 12095 Northwest 12th Avenue, North Miami, 33168.
Thank you.
One two zero nine five Northwest 12th Ave.
Correct.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Sophia Deslin. The violation for this property were issued in June. I apologize. April 23rd, 2018, and the violation was issued for the paint of the property that need the entire property need to be paint, and also with the awning and the facial board of the property. The certified letter was sent out, and also the notice to appear post on the property July 17, 2018. As of today, the violation is still in compliance. I have pictures to prove that. One moment.
Excuse me, this one down there.
Show it to her first.
Yes.
Ma'am, is this your property?
Yes, it is.
Is there a tarp? Something, is there a
Yeah.
gray tarp? on
Yes.
I put one over there.
there? Okay. But that's not what it's here for. It's just for paint, right?
No, the top just recently put on the roof, but when I issued the violation, the top wasn't there.
Okay. Ma'am, what's going on with the property? Do you understand the violation?
Yes. During the hurricane, my insurance gave me money to re- repair the roof, and I guess they said do whatever, it had to be done during the hurricane. After the hurricane, well, before that, my husband is in University Plaza nursing home, and the money that I got from the hurricane, I had to pay for him being in the nursing home. So right now, I thought I was going to get him out, but now he's developed another sore on his butt, because I expected to get him out this weekend, but they told me no, because the sore has come back, the bed sore has come back because of them wiping it instead of dabbing it so hard. So therefore, I got to continue paying them and right now, on Friday, it's my last day working, which I was working part-time. And I've been on my job 22 years, and I'm getting ready to retire because this month I'm turning 70. And the money that I got from to do the repairs, because I had my neighbor scrape all the awnings and stuff off, and one of the awnings came off during the hurricane, and I was getting ready to have them painted, but to have that painted, I need some work done, so I filed my papers with the code compliance, I guess, over there. I filed papers, I went to file them, but it's a long story. My daughter, they wanted to put my daughter in because she's there, because she's usually over to her boyfriend's house. And I've been waiting and waiting to get the documents because she don't know where she did the tax documents. And they said I can't file until I get all of the paperwork. They made copies of all the other paperwork that I brought in, but they said I can't file it until she get them, but I can't file them. But I call the tax people and to have them give me a copy, but I haven't heard anything else from them. So that's the predicament that I'm in right now. And right now, it's hard to even paint because I have some damage to the roof and around the edges of the house. The porch is getting ready to fall in because I filed with them for paint and to do some repairs on the house because I really don't have the money to do that. I thought maybe I can get some paint and stuff from the city to try to help me.
Is that what you applied for? Is that what you mean when you said you went to the city and you?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
you filed an application.
I haven't filed yet because they keep.
Okay, they need to see your income. They need to see your tax return. Is that it?
I've got all of that. I've gotten everything for them except my tax return from my daughter's tax return. And
Okay, because your
that's the
daughter
one-
lives with you.
She comes over there sometimes. She's be there, so they want to include her in
Okay.
there.
The only thing that I'm thinking that I think paint is probably the least of your problem. You still have roof damages, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so the roof has not been
Yes.
fixed.
No.
So I'm sure there's something coming down the pipes for that. And that money is spent. The money that the insurance company sent to you to
Well,
fix the roof, that money's gone.
Some of it, yes. And then my husband is still in there, and what is it? It's Social Security. The Social Security they take all of the Social Security, and part of his pension to pay for that. So the bill that he incurred, we incurred before that have to come out of the bank also. So I have to use some of the money from the hurricane,
Insurance.
from the insurance to help pay for him being in the nursing home.
I'm sorry to hear that.
So it's dwindled down quite a bit.
So how long do you need to get this property painted? Like I said, I think paint is the least of your problem.
Well,
We can paint the property, but if you have a leaked, a roof that is leaking,
it wasn't only the painting. I applied for help also to try to get them to do some of the work for me. It's not just.
I see, okay.
Yeah.
All right, typically, on average, how long does that take, do you know? Once they put in an application, how long does that take?
Honestly, I don't know, but it shouldn't take too long. If everything with her papers are correct, I believe I don't know how many applications they have. I wouldn't give her time, but she have to contact them, and they should be able to give her a time.
Excuse me. They won't accept the paperwork because I don't have my daughter's tax return.
That's right. She
Okay.
did say that. Okay,
And-
so there's no paperwork with the city. There's no application yet
I
because.
mean, I have it, and they have made copies of everything that I've taken them, except my daughter's stuff.
Okay, so
Okay.
they're not gonna act on it until such time
Until
that
I
you
bring
have
those
provided
papers in,
them with
yes.
the necessary
Yes,
paperwork
ma'am.
from your daughter, who
Yes.
also live with you.
Sometime, yes.
Okay. All right, so I do find that you are in violation. I do find in favor of the city. I'm trying to see what can be worked out. Because otherwise, I can only give you about 30 days. When are we meeting again? September 19th. So you really have until September 12th to take care of this violation.
It's, that's the painting,
Correct.
but the thing
But
about
that's
it-
the entire property, plus the awnings and the fascia board. So if you are, you know, I don't know why it's such a problem for your daughter to produce her tax returns.
She can't find it, I don't know.
There are
I've
ways
searched
to,
in her
she
room.
can order, who files her taxes, she can
she's
ask
called
those, she
them.
can call the IRS. There are ways for her to get copies of her taxes.
Okay.
If she wants to help you, if she lives under your roof and this is what's gonna help you to get the city to assist you to help, then she needs to basically do the legwork.
Okay, she's called them also, the tax preparers. She would call them also, and all they did was leave messages, but I didn't know that you can call the IRS and get them.
All right, so tell her to,
Sorry, ma'am, can I tell her something I was told to tell her?
okay,
I'm sorry, I apologize.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
it's okay. All right,
All right.
huh?
I would like to request 60 days to get that, done.
All right, so adjudication, 60 days. You get until, that brings you to October 10th. So trying to get the job done by October 10th. Our next hearing date on your case will be October 17th.
Thank you.
So I need to see that, you know, the work is done, or I need to see progress, or if you're working with the city, then I need to see that we're moving along. Okay?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Good
Okay.
luck to you.
And thank you so much. Have a good evening.
You too.
The next case is item 87, Ray Miller. Shanna Sanders is the officer, and the case number is CEGMP 2017-00079.
You said 6-7?
87 is the item, 87.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good evening. Please state your full name in relationship to the property.
Ryan Eugene Miller. I'm the son of the property owners.
You want to pull up the mic closer to you? Okay.
Should I repeat myself?
Yeah.
Ryan Eugene Miller. I'm the son of the property owners.
Okay.
Mark Todd Miller. I'm the brother.
All right.
Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This is a case for general maintenance of property. It's for the overall exterior of the property. The roof is in disrepair. The awnings are in need of pressure cleaning. Just to give you a refresher, the brother passed away, the property owner passed away roughly a year ago, maybe some months. The property was caught up in probate. I'm understanding, if not remembering, the son, the brother, and the mother was trying to get ownership in or do some type of work, legal work with the house. I'm not knowing what's going on with the property at this time. I haven't spoke with anyone from the property for the past maybe 2 or 3 months. I do recall asking it to be tabled because they were here the first few months when the case was fairly new. This has been going on since October of last year, so I would like the brother and the son to possibly give testimony as to what's going on with the property and bring me as well as you up to speed as in what's going on legally and what's going on with, you know, the overall update of the house.
Okay, who wants to start?
Well, we finally got the insurance adjuster to come through, and this letter we just got from the insurance company on July 18th said that they'll be letting us know about the claim in 15 days from then. So we should be hearing from them pretty soon, and we should be able to start work on the roof in a week or two.
Magistrate, if you would like to see photos of the property, just to, you know, jog your memory, you know, I went out there as late as yesterday, roughly 10:30, and took, you know, new pictures of the property. Like I say again, haven't had any contact with them for the past couple of months. You know, I'm assuming they've been working on some things. I do see that there's a top over the roof now. I'm assuming with all the rain, maybe there's a leakage of some sort, but I do have pictures if you would like to see.
Yes. Can you also show the letter to the code enforcement officer as well as the city attorney, and they can pass it up for me, please?
Yeah, it's a new tarp we just put on. Yeah,
Yeah, it was a little bit, yeah.
we're gonna put the tarp on it. That's like the 4th tarp already.
Yeah. The sun really damages them.
While they're looking at passing the paper up, have you guys got everything settled legally in order for you to pull the permit and do the necessary works when, you know, this claim does go through?
Not yet.
Don't think so.
Not yet.
My mom's doing that, working on that.
You know, so if you can, magistrate, you know, as they're stating, they still are going through the legal woes of, you know, even getting any type of paperwork to even pull the necessary permits. You know, again, if I recall, and maybe you guys can chime in, I think the house was caught up in probate or something to that
Yeah.
effect. So I don't even know if they would be able to obtain the permits in a week.
You have to talk to
All
them
right,
about
so
that.
this letter is saying that they're still evaluating your claim.
Yeah.
You know, they've
But
been,
this matter is still in probate?
We
Or
haven't
has
been
to,
able to. We haven't been able to afford hiring a probate lawyer.
so we haven't started the probate process?
I don't think, not
No.
I don't know. I gotta ask my mom.
All right, guys, this matter have been going on for a long time, and we are exactly the same place we were back in when I think I first heard this case in December 2017. And here we are, we're still in the same place. And I can say that I'll wait to see what your insurance company does. But if we come back and they say no on the claim, then what? Because if you guys have not started anything, I thought that was the whole idea. Because I think that we reset this matter. We continued it for a couple of times, right?
yes, it's been a few months. We tabled it for a couple of months and then we came back, I believe, Yeah, I
And
guess-
that's because I was under the impression that you guys were going to probate. So if we haven't started a, probate case, which means this property's still titled in your brother's name,
My
Right.
mom's too.
your mom? Or is titled as your mom's name?
My mom and my dad. His
Oh,
brother.
yeah.
I thought you said your mom was here.
No.
Oh, your mom passed.
No, my father passed away.
Your dad passed away.
Yeah.
But the property's titled in your mother's name?
It was in both of their name.
So why can't your mother?
Yeah.
I'm confused.
She's in Tennessee.
Yeah.
Still,
Your mother was here the first couple of times we've heard the case.
That was
My mother, which is his grandmother.
my dad's mom.
So whose mother is the property name? Is your mother?
Yes.
I mean, can we?
okay,
I mean,
so
you
why
have the
are we
file up
talking
there.
about
Can we check
probate? Why
ownership
can't your
here?
mother speak to the insurance company and get the necessary funds to fix the property? I'm
That's what we're doing.
confused.
That's when we got the adjusters. The adjusters what took forever to get to the house.
So why were we talking about probate? How
We
did-
were trying to get the house in my name.
Okay, that's neither here nor there. That's another issue for the future. But if there's things that needs to be done, if the property is damaged and your mom is still the rightful owner of the property, why has this been delayed for almost a year now?
We've been waiting on the insurance company.
I'm not sure, what they're stating here. I mean, I hear them saying that it's in the mom's name. The only name that I have here and that I've ever spoke with since I've been the officer in this area was first Mr. Miller, and that's what I'm showing on Dade County records at this present time. There's no woman or anything attached to this property at all. About
They've been
some
sending
months
my
ago,
mom
maybe a
mail.
year, I first came in contact with the brother who then informed me that his brother had passed away. When they came to the magistrate, that's when
Do we have any to say my mom's
the
name?
owner's mom came, but as of what I'm seeing here, I don't see any
You don't see
ownership.
any? No.
No, I see Ray E. Miller as the property owner. That's why I'm like you. I understood that we were tabling it because the person, was deceased and that it was caught up in probate.
All right, so while you guys are trying to figure this one out, I'm gonna close it. It's, the $200, is it, the daily fine is hereby ratified. And once you guys figure it out, you guys can contact the city and work it out. But
Okay.
for me, that's it. It's ratified. All right, good luck to you
All right.
guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a nice night.
You too.
The next case is item 50 through 58, Heritage of San Souci. Vanessa Willis is the officer. The first case is item 50, MHVIO 2018-00695, item 50.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good evening. Please state your full name for the record and relationship to the property.
Yes, hello. My name is Cynthia Bull. I'm a board of directors of Heritage of San Souci Condominium.
All right.
Good evening, Vanessa Willis, City of North Miami Code Compliance. File MHVIO 2018-00695. They were cited on April 20th, 2018, to repair or replace all missing light covers. Upon the last reinspection, which was today, the light covers were not replaced. There was still one or two that were without a cover. So on that first case, they are not in compliance. Do you want to take them one at a time, or would you like me to just run through
How
all
many
of
of them
them?
did you call out?
About what, 5?
It's item 50 through 58. So it's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 58.
Yes, let's handle all of them.
Okay. And then,
So 50 is not in compliance? Or you said just about two lights that aren't, is that two
Right.
light covers are missing?
correct,
About two?
yes. Mhm,
Okay.
yes. And then for,
Can I see what that looks like? Sure.
I'm going to show her, and then I'll pass them up to you.
should, okay.
And Cynthia just showed me I think two photos of where some of the lights have been replaced, but not those two per se. One, if you notice, the address 1725 on the front of the building, and the other one 1755. So right at the entrance of the building, those two lights are without the cover.
Okay.
Okay. And I'll pass up her photos for your review as well.
Is it still part of case number, case 50?
Yes,
50?
page 50, yes.
Okay. What am I looking at? This one?
The
With
last two that came up with her were her photos. She was just showing that those lights were replaced.
Okay.
That those are in a different
But
location.
these are indoors, no?
One of them looks inside the laundry room, I think.
One is inside the laundry room, the
Right.
other one is by the mailbox.
Right.
Okay. But these are outdoors,
Correct.
right?
Correct. But initially, those didn't have it either.
Okay.
But those have been replaced, and the other ones are still missing.
Got it.
In can I say something? In reality, there were more, and we replaced all of them.
Except
We
for
are
these two?
except for these
Okay.
two. Yes.
Okay. And then I'll move on to 51, which is 696. Last three numbers on the MHVIO is 696. This one is to repair or replace missing, torn, damaged screens in the soffit area around the building where needed. And also those were not repaired to date. I was going to tell you. All of these were cited around the same time frame. It's pointless for me to send this photo up to you simply because the way that the sun was shining, when you take the photo upward, you can't really see the hole, but there is a hole there.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. You're admitting there is a hole there?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'll move on. Next case for 697, which is 52. This one is to please replace the locks on the pool gate. Gate should be self-closing and self-locking, and then to call for the reinspection. This was also cited on April 20th, 2018, and to date that is not in compliance. I will pass the photos up for your review. Special Magistrate, the first photo shows the hinge on the gate. For whatever reason, when you push the gate open, it just stays open, it doesn't close. And then the other one, if you turn it sideways, what happens is that device that you pull upward in order to release the gate, and you know, it's supposed to cling back, you know,
Right.
bounce back, it's not working. Whatever the apparatus is, it's not working correctly.
Okay. Ma'am? Okay.
And then I have 54. If 53 is there, I think that there's one that is there that I do not have, which is referring to inoperable vehicles on the property. They did comply. I went by there today. She sent me an email, text rather, saying that they were in compliance, and they were in compliance. So that one can be removed due to compliance.
Okay.
The next one, 54. Repave and restripe parking areas in the front and back of the building. Call for reinspection. That was cited on April 20th, and to date, they're not in compliance with that either. I'll show you the photos.
That's hers. These are hers. Okay.
Okay. And then the last one, 703, which is number 58. Please repair or replace all deteriorated or missing rain gutters. Call for a reinspection. That was also cited on April 20th, and to date, they are not in compliance. And I will show you these photos as well. If you look at the first photo, you can see the rust down at the bottom where the gutter is deteriorating. And the very last photo, it's hard to tell, but there's tape on it, but the tape has been painted over. But there is tape on that one so that the water is not coming out before it reaches down to the bottom. So
Okay. What are you asking for in terms of time to get this done?
Let me tell you a little bit. We are a small community of 24 units. We don't have a reserve accounts. We are living by the date. So we, even when the violations were issued, the notices were issued in April, we really found out of them mid-July, in reality July 10th. Apparently they were mailed to the property and we never got them. So from that day, we've been in continuous communication with the officer and try to remediate the small things as we could. And we also, because we don't have the money to do this right now, what we did is we called a meeting for a special assessment, and a special assessment was approved with the payment plan, and I have the notice of the meeting and also the minutes if you want to see them. The special assessment was approved to do the parking, repaving, the rain gutters, fix the pool gate, and the light covers, everything that is not in compliance. So we have a payment plan that hopefully will be completed by mid-September, because we split. The special assessment is for $10,000. That it's, for us, it's a lot of money. And we did a payment plan in 2 payments, being them August 15 and September 15. So hopefully, if everybody pays by September 15, we will have the money to do the repairs. In the meantime, we started to request the quotes for the repairs, and I have a few here if you want to see them. So we would request, if possible, 120 days in order to be on the safe side and complete it with all the things that we need to do, if possible.
Special Magistrate, I would ask that some of the smaller items, such as the light fixtures, I'm not sure how you guys are going about doing the rain gutters, but I think that the amount of time is excessive. I understand your financial situation. However, even if we did a 60-day and came back for a report of compliance and see how well they're doing, it's just past practice has shown that a lot of people wait until that 120th day and they still haven't done anything, or they're just starting to do. So that's my request.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Is there any way to have like 60 days for the small things like the lights and the pool gate, and have the 4 months or the 120 days for the parking? lot.
Well, since she mentioned the pool gate, I would ask that that be done in 30 days, simply because it's a life safety issue. You know what I mean? Because I did forget about the pool gate.
Okay,
You know,
let's
that's a
do
life safety issue. If something happens, that's a liability. So I would really appreciate that one being 30 days. The light fixture,
30 days. The
we can do
covers?
30. Yes, just the covers, because it's only two
Yeah,
in the
let's.
front that need to be done.
We can do that in 30 days, and in
All right, 'cause
reality,
I usually like to let cases run together. So since you brought up the issue with the pool,
Yes.
with the gate, okay, so we'll do them individually.
Okay.
All right, as to item number 50,
Yes.
MHVIO 2018000695. I enter an adjudication. I do find that the violation exists. Enter a, in favor of the city. Adjudication, 30 days.
Thank you.
Does that bring us 30 days? Let's say August 1st, September 12th?
September 12th.
Okay. A month, yeah. Okay. So September 12th, that gives you a lot more than 30 days. I want to see this one taken care of. Otherwise, there will be a daily fine amount of $100.
so the date is September 12th.
Yes.
I give you 30 days, but the date that I'm putting here is September 12th. So yes, that does give you more than 30 days. And the next hearing date on that, if it's not fixed, you have to come back on September 19th. As for item MHVIO 2018000696, this is that's the damaged screen.
Yes, in the
So-
soffit.
Okay. Adjudication, 30 days. Again, $100. This is a pool gate. MHVIO 2018000697, adjudication. This one is a life safety issue. That one is 500.
30 days on that one, right?
Correct, 30 days. All right, so the other items is the parking lot, the parking area. This one you wanted 60 days on?
We are, by 60 days, we are not even going to have the full amount of money.
Okay, so with the parking, you want 90 days? And with the rain gutters,
That is also part of the special assessment, so I don't know if would it be possible to have
so I'm
120 days?
I'm gonna do an adjudication and I'm gonna give you 90 days. When you come back, if I see there's progress, and you need more time, then definitely we'll talk about that, at that next hearing if possible, but I'll give you 90 days for now. But I need to see progress. I need to see that, you guys are collecting the funds and, you have a contract, that the work is gonna be done within the next, because that's gonna leave you with an additional 30 days to get the work done. Okay, and for the parking area, that's $350. And for the rain gutters, that's $200. Okay, there's a lot of numbers to remember, but you have 30 days for the smaller stuff, and you have 90 days, and if needs be, you can reach out to the officer, and maybe she can give you an extension. Otherwise, if you come back and I see progress and you need more time, then we'll work it out then.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good evening. I'm sorry.
The next two items are items 68 and 69, Jean-Pierre Perrault. They're two separate officers, Sophia Dessalin and Ernst Baptiste, that have these cases. And the first case we're gonna hear is item 68, CEBLR 2018-00020.
Hi.
Good evening. Please state your name
Good
and your
evening.
relationship to the property.
Good evening. My name is Brenda Aldana. I'm the realtor for the owner. I did not have a power of attorney, but I spoke to the both of the city officials and explained to them the situation. So I don't know if it's okay with you, Magistrate, if I can just let them speak.
Yeah, they'll have to present their case.
Thank you very much.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Sophia Desilian. The violation will issue for not having the house number placing on the property. Some of the numbers are missing. However, based on pictures of proof, this violation is compliant.
Ernst Baptiste, City North Miami Code Enforcement Officer. Violation was open for the exterior of the property that needed to be painted. Today I passed by. I took pictures still the same way, but the property was posted on July 11, 2018. And I spoke to the lady, and she informed me that she will need 30 days to correct the violation because the house is up for sale. There's a contract on it. The owner is putting it up for sale. So we'll give her,
Okay, so you want to reset 30 days?
yes.
All right. 30 days.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Thank you.
The next two cases are item 14 and 15, Wilner Cano. The officer is Sophia Deslin. Case number CEJ NK 2018-00040 and CEZPU 2018-00012.
Good evening. Please state your
Good
full
evening.
name for the record and relationship to the property.
My name is Wilbur Cano, and I'm the property owner.
Thank you.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Sophia Desilian. I have two cases for the property 1050 Northwest 124th Street. The first one is for having stuff storage in the back of the property, like bucket, towels, plywood, souvenir stuff. And the second one was for using prohibited zone as far as running business in a residential area. Both violations were issued on March 15, 2018. The certified letter and also the posting were issued on July 17, 2018. And I have pictures of update pictures that I took this morning showing that Mr. Robert actually tried to clean out the stuff, but unfortunately there is a couple things that still need to be removed.
Show it to him first.
I was present there when she took the pictures.
Okay. Is this your property?
Yes, it is. I don't reside there. That's my sister who resides there with her husband. And I was unaware of what was taking place since I actually moved down south. And they actually got the certified mail yesterday in the mailbox. And I saw the tracking. It was actually mailed out on the 19th. And as the latest update on tracking showed that July 29th, it was still in transit. So I guess with the address forwarding and so forth, it took that long. And since I got it yesterday evening, I actually went to the property today and took half the day off from work to start doing everything. Like I actually called Sophia today, and that's when we first spoke and got everything rolling to get everything out of the way. But like I said, I was unaware that all that was there since I've been all too busy with work and the move down south. I do have, like I showed her, the documents for the tracking, and I even have the change of address for the county for them to be able to not have any issues with any other forwarded document or anything like that moving forward. But at this point, like I asked her, we already started working on it. It should be taken care of any time, but I would like at least a week or two to be able to get
That's
everything set and
a lot of stuff to
scheduled.
haul out.
Yeah, they already started. We already hired people to get some of the items out. There was a trailer out today that was really filled up and ready to be thrown away, but because it was construction, some of the construction stuff, we actually had to pay for that to be taken out and dumped at a paid facility rather than any county or city facility. So that's the going back and forth, and offloading and unloading will take a little bit more.
All right, well, you need a week. I'll give you till September 12th. I enter an adjudication, 30 days. And that's $100 each. Thank you, sir.
ma'am. Have a good evening.
You too. Here.
The next two cases are item 5 and 6 for Venia Lewis. Sophia Deslin is the officer. The case number is CEFAW 2018-00043 and CEPAR 2018-00010, item 5 and 6.
Good evening. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Yes, good evening. Ronald Louis, son of the homeowner.
Who's my officer? Oh.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer, Sophia Deslin. The two cases were issued for property 1200 Northwest, 122nd Street. The first one was issued for the chain link that need to be repaired or removed, and the second one that to be the entire exterior of the property, included the awnings, need to be painted. Both violations were issued on March 9th, 2018, and the notice to appear was posted on the property on July 17, 2018. Also, the letter to appear was sent out as certified. And as of today, both violations still in compliance, and I have pictures.
You said they are in compliance
In
or they're not?
compliant. They're
Oh.
not in compliance.
And this is your property, sir?
No, that's my mom property.
Okay. And this is your dad?
Yeah,
next to you?
that's my dad.
Okay, so this is your property, sir, correct?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Does he need the translator? I don't think he understands what's going on. Can we translate for him?
Yes, I say yes. Yeah. I say yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, stay there just in case. Make sure that he understands. All right, do you understand the violation?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so how long do you need to, they need to paint awnings, the entire property,
And fix
and
the chain,
the chain link, okay.
Okay. I know about it. It was on Monday, so I need like between 90 to 120 days to do everything. Hmm?
Okay.
No, 120. 3 mois, 4 mois.
All right, for the painting and the chain link, 120 days. I'll enter an adjudication. I'll give you 90 days.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and then the daily fine amount is 150. Same for, that's for each case.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right,
Next item on the agenda is Dixie Terrace condo, item 25 through 29. Rahima Golding is the officer. The first case is MHVIO 2017-00415
you said 25 to through 29?
through 29.
Good evening. Please state your full name for the
Right.
record.
Right. And so Juan Bolivar represent to President Dixiter's condo.
Okay.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Rahima Golding. Case number MHVIO 2017-00425. That case has been complied. MHVIO 2017-00473. That also has been complied.
Tell
I've
me the
been-
two numbers that are,
sorry.
425 and 73?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, as it pertains to MHVIO 2017-420, 416, and 415, I've been in contact with Mr. Juan and Ms. Martha as well. They just received their check today from for the association to do the rest of the work that's remaining on the building. They've made great progress so far. They only have 3 items left.
Okay.
They also have submitted for their permits. So all they need is time now to obtain those permits, and that's it.
All right. And how long are we asking for? Are we, how long?
I
do
would
we
say
discuss?
60 days, and we can revisit if they need more time.
All right.
No.
Okay. We'll
Thank
table
you.
it for 60 days.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next case is item number 36, Evarista Escato. Ernest Baptiste is the officer. The case number is CEBMP 2018-00010, item 36.
Thank you. You know me so well. You know I didn't hear it the first time. Good evening. Please state your full name and relationship to the property. Please state your full name and relationship to the.
¿Habla español? ¿Habla inglés?
No inglés.
Español. Diga su nombre
Mi nombre es Evarista Escoto.
y qué es su relación con la propiedad.
Soy la dueña.
I am the owner.
Okay.
Ernst Baptiste, City of Miami Code Enforcement
Es el
Officer.
oficial que se está presentando.
This is a case that was open for building without a permit.
Este caso se abrió porque se estaba construyendo sin permiso.
Case was open on March 22nd,
Marzo 22 se
2018.
abrió.
Property was posted on July 11, 2018.
Julio 11 también se
Um,
posteó.
checked the record, no permit is on file.
He chequeado y no hay un
I
permiso
have picture
todavía
of the
en los
construction
records.
that was done.
Yo tengo una foto. ¿Foto de su lugar?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. And this is your property?
¿Es su propiedad? Yes.
Okay. Do you understand the violation?
¿Entiende la violación? Yes.
Okay. It's a beautiful gate,
La entrada es muy bonita.
but it wasn't done. We don't know if it was done up to code because you guys did not pull a permit.
No sabemos si lo hicieron con el código porque no sacaron permiso. Correct.
Okay. So, they need to.
Pull a permit.
If I may, Your Honor?
Yes.
Just to appraise you. We had a quick chat with the inspector,
Mrs. Cotto had actually hired a company to pull the permits for her. We have copies of the contracts and a copy of the invoices with payments to this company. We found out today or yesterday that no permit has been pulled or initiated in any kind of way. And so we are now in the predicament of having to see why they didn't do any of this that they said that they were going to do.
Mm-hmm.
And so we need a couple of months to either fire them and get somebody else, which is the more likely cause, or try to see if they will do what they said they were going to do.
That's okay with me. We can have 60 days.
Okay. You want to table it for 60 days?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Would you like a copy of all this information, sir?
Okay. Reset 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
The next item is item 37, Francois Gideon. Rahima Golding is the officer. Case number CEEXP 2018-00013, item 37.
Yes, Francois Gideon.
Good evening. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Yeah, Francois Gideon.
All right, Monsieur Francois, do you need a translator, Monsieur Francois?
No, I got my other day. You can help me.
No, I need you to really understand what's going on. So I need you to have your own translator.
Oh.
He's there just for you.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Does your sister, I'm sorry. Does your daughter wanted to add something? Yeah. Et parce que figue a frère, we give a message, so that's all. Did you want to add something?
Do I need to say my name as well?
Yeah, sure.
Marlene Raymond.
Okay. All right, what's going on?
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Rahima Golding. I've been in contact with Mr. Gideon over the past month, and he's been having issues with his insurance so they're supposed to be taking care of it, but it's just taking longer than expected. I went by the property today, and of course the property still hasn't been painted yet, so we're kind of just waiting on the insurance.
Okay.
We've been going back and forth with the public adjuster who's currently working with the insurance company. We do have an update. They're currently in negotiations. It's been a while that they've been going. I do have the paperwork right here. They haven't given a particular set date or time as to when everything will settle, but we are requesting time if possible for them to try to resolve this and, of course, fix other issues that we've had before we do the actual painting, because there are other issues to the property we're hoping to get taken care of so that we're not wasting money painting it, have to repaint it over after everything is done.
All right. Any objection?
No.
All right. How long you want to table this for?
60 days.
All right. Let's table it for 60 days. Okay? All right. Okay. Bye-bye.